Insurance agencies today are spearheading towards deploying smart technologies that are efficient, secure, ensure scalability of operations, and fetches them value for money. Optimizing all these benefits into an integrated, simple, and easy-to-use insurance management system is LeadCRM. Let us take you through a quick run on their process flow. Once a company has registered on the LeadCRM platform, they will get their unique URL using which they can manage their entire business portfolio. On logging into the application, you get directed to the dashboard page where you will get a complete overview of the following business statistics on top with exact numerical data: open leads, open prospects, sales made, active policies, number of active clients in the system. Moving down, here you will get a complete track of all the scheduled activities user-wise, along with an overview about which customer needs to be followed up with. Next, the prospect summary view is accessible both at the user and management level. This gives details about at what stage the prospects are, for example, open stage, follow-up stage, quotation shared stage, payment collection stage, how many are in the business completion and loss stage. This data is segregated under the following heads: renewable, rollover, new business, and life premium if you are into life insurance. By default, you are shown data of records entered in the last 3 months, but you can filter and view it for any data range. Other prospect views include the prospect detail view, wherein you can get a gist of the number of policies that will be expiring in the upcoming 7, 15, 30, or 45 days. Project summary due date-wise view gives an overview of cases based on expiry date. If you navigate to the current month, then it will give an overview of how many are due for expiry and in which stage they are in. It also gives an overview of the last 2 months and upcoming 2 months. You can filter out the cases based on the business type, class, agency, team, or even drill down to the respective user. Every number that you see on the dashboard is clickable and can be opened and viewed as an individual case to be worked over. In order to develop a brief understanding of the workflow, we will start off by listing the leads, convert it into a prospect, and make a policy out of it. Lead management has 2 modules: lead and prospect. For initial level inquiry, you can enter name, number, email ID details, speak to the customer, and if the requirement seems genuine, pass it on to the next stage of your sales funnel. If you feel the requirement is genuine, then you can directly create a prospect out of it by passing over the lead stage. If you have directly made a sale in the system, you can bypass the lead and prospect stage and directly create a policy. Let's start by creating a new lead in the system. Enter name, number, email ID, and save the information. On going back to the dashboard, you will be able to see the new lead under Today. For now, it's in the open stage. Once the new lead has been entered in the system, speak to the customer, check if the need is valid. Create a follow-up if the customer can't be reached out to at the moment. This follow-up then gets marked in the system, a reminder of which is sent to the user via pop-up or notification. The reminders can also be configured through SMS or email. Once you have ascertained the customer requirement to be genuine, you can move it to the prospect stage and can capture further details. In the client section, you can capture customers' personal details like date of birth, anniversary date, address, other contact details, GST number, etc. You can also upload customers' KYC related documents like Aadhaar card, PAN card at the client level. If it is a motor insurance requirement, you can capture the vehicle details at the prospect level like the make, model, and variant information of the vehicle. You can also capture other attributes of the vehicle like vehicle type, engine or chassis number, registration number, etc. The system automatically calculates the vehicle zone based on the entered vehicle registration number. You can also upload vehicle related documents like RC copy, etc. at the vehicle level. Save the case in the system. Right now, the case is under prospect stage under open category. You can also create follow-ups at the prospect level, just like we created at the lead level. The next stage is creation of quotation. You can create quotations at the prospect level for all types of insurance, be it motor, health, life, or any other form of general insurance or life insurance. We have inbuilt motor insurance calculators, using which you can easily generate the insurance quote for motor insurance requirement. Enter the name of insurer and IDV. Once you click on Calculate, the OD and third-party premium account gets auto-calculated. You can enter the pre-decided discount rates. You can also select or enter the add-ons premiums. Once the quotation values are entered, you can generate the quotation document with your own branding, which can be shared with the customers. Quotations can be easily shared via email, SMS, or WhatsApp to the customers. To send email, click on the email button and a pop-up comes with a pre-populated template. Here the mail body gets automatically drafted, which can be modified. The generated quote also gets auto-attached, after which it can be sent. The templates are completely customizable. The same process is followed for quotes shared via WhatsApp and SMS. Under recent activities, all the activities performed with the customer gets logged. You can track everything from the user handling it to the email sent. You can also create multiple quotations in the system. Suppose, let's say you create a quote for Future Generali, the offered discount is 75% and add-on combo offered is Plan 1. Similarly, you can create multiple quotes for other insurers through the copy and add option. After the quotes have been created in the system, a comparison chart can be created which can be shared with the customer. You can compare up to 4 different quotations in a single comparison chart. Once your customer has agreed for one of the quotes, save it and take it to the next stage. The subsequent stages are not mandatory, however. Like for doorstep payment collection, you can mark the necessary date fields and enter the pickup boy's name. If you come back to the dashboard, you will notice your case under the payment collection stage. Once payment has been collected from the customer, your team will mark it as payment collected. You can also capture the payment details if required. Once the policy has been punched in from the insurer's site, you can click on Generate Policy to generate a policy record. All the information gets populated from the prospect. You just have to verify all the information and type in the policy number and upload the policy document in the system. The policy document can also be sent via email or SMS. The prospect on completion transcends from payment collected to the business completion stage. Here, you can manage your commission and also keep a track over the payout commission. Once the commission has been mapped in the system, you will get an idea about the revenue generated from business sales. Let us now understand the various organizational settings. Through this interface, you can control your renewal workflow, set renewal reminder days, and send out automated renewal reminders to your customers using email and SMS. Under the Client Wishes tab, you can configure settings to send automated anniversary, birthday, festive, and seasonal greetings to your clients. For sending out bulk communication via emails and SMS to the customers, you can select your active leads and policy customers. All the communication sent to the customer gets logged under messaging logs. Under the Reports tab, you can view various reports based on advanced search. or date-wise search. You can view reports through specific column filters and export the reports in Excel. This option is, however, only available to the admins. Master searches can be conducted based on client name or policy number or mobile number. Just like reports, a quick search can be conducted at any level through advanced searches, column filters to keep a track on your cases. You can upload your existing data in the system across the lead, prospect, and policy level. Through the Client Portfolio option, you can view and share your client's complete insurance portfolio and create group portfolios for families having multiple policies, which can be shared with the customers. You can track endorsements and claim coming into the system through the Endorsement and Claims module. Using the Master tab, admins can autonomously control the system, modify it, and manage it without depending on the LeadCRM team. For account management, you can manage the account and pay for its subscription online through the system using your preferred payment mode. Accelerate towards an integrated and cutting-edge, need-based insurance management solution with LeadCRM.